and I encourage them to do this. It will give you different look, different life. You have more confidence. You'll be happy with yourself, really. Like, I'm so happy. My name is Yazan, and I am the grandfather, and I have lovely grandsons. I use this system actually since 1996. I'm so happy with it. I can swim, I can take a shower, and I sleep with it. It's very nice actually, fit me, make me more younger. I lost my hair when I was 39 years old. I went actually to do transplant, as I need actually the donor area where I have, and there's not that much enough hair to fold my head or the skull. So I need more hair, and I find this is the system is more suitable for me because I'm looking for a little bit thick hair, and the thick hairs I have to get the system. Well, it changed my look actually, it changed my life. I'm happy. I go out, I go swimming. It's look nice and normal when I go inside the water and when I swim. I meet a lot of people as a business, so I should look more nicer. Actually, with the time I start to get the products and all these things, I cut the hair, then I can replace it to clean the scalp and all, do this, changing the tapes and everything. It's easy, not that big deal when you get used to it. Well, it's very nice, it's very good brand, and it's better, and quality is good, and there is a lot of option to choose your system. How I find your brand actually, from my barber actually. He told me, like, they have a good hair, it's natural hair, and it's a good price too. So then that's why I came to do it here with you guys. Really, I encourage them to do this. It will give you different look, different life. You have more confidence. You'll be happy with yourself, really. Like, I'm so happy.